Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to share a Canva design. In the dashboard above, go over to the right and select share. Then the purple bar, it shows copy link. You would select copy. Here you can choose to allow view access or copy private link. And then you would choose, if you choose allow access, it will then take you to who can view. They can choose to edit, comment, or simply just to view. You choose whatever you want your recipient to do. Once a link is copied to your clipboard, then you can choose to share on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, you name it. And the quickest way to do this is just to select see all, scroll down to where you see social, and here are all the social medias that you might have an account for where you can share this link to. You can also share through messaging, as I mentioned, WhatsApp, so you can share through email, iMessage, Facebook Messenger. If you click see all, you'll see more messaging apps that you can share this link to. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.